Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is from DJI. It is DJI Osmo Action. Okay, let me unbox it. You can take a look of the box. The different things, or the main different things between Osmo Action and GoPro Hero 7 is Osmo Action has dual screen. And there are two marks for Osmo Action inside the box, and the USB Type-C cable. Here it is. You can use your own USB Type-C cable to charge Osmo Action. And the battery. Okay. You need to pull or push the Osmo Action out from the case. And then the battery. Remove the screen protector and the lens protector. You can see there are two screens on this Osmo Action. And then turn on or download the apps first, because you need to activate the DJI Action, Osmo Action, and then connect it. You can see the code. Accept and agree the term of use. And then confirm your account and then activate. Activate successful. The apps need a bit more second to load. This okay, you can use this now. You can lock the screen and unlock it. No SD card here, so there are no playback for you to see. You can change the shutter ISO from 100 to 3200, but in GoPro Hero 7 it supports 6400. You can change the color to Disney-like and the warp function. And change the white balance. The maximum resolution is 4K 60 FPS, and you can turn on the EIS or call rock steady after you update the action. The second screen for selfie. You can enable spot metering by press and hold the screen. Enable voice control. It supports 普通话 and English only. You can create your configuration by own. Setting anti-flickers. Screen auto sleep. I always set never. The date and time is from your mobile app, so it's supposed to be the right time. You can connect it with your smartphone, and it's nearly zero delay. The smartphone app show most of your information that you want. You can change the resolution and video frame rate through the app. You can turn on the EIS or Rocksteady from the app and default function on the app. Video format MOV and MP4. ISO max is 3200, and you can turn on the histogram on this app. You can change the EV in auto mode. Moreover, you can change the photo mode, HDR mode, slow motion mode, time lapse, and video mode through the app. How to update the firmware of Osmo Action. The micro SD card inside. And then download the firmware to your phone first. And then install the firmware update to the Osmo Action. Update success. You can see the walk steady function here after the update. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.